Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment down below, and hit that notification bell so that you can be notified every time I upload a video. Today I'm going to be shampooing and deep conditioning hair that's been up in braids for the past, I'll say like 6 months. And when the hair's been in braids that long, it has to get back used to being pressed and curled or blow dried and stuff. It has to get retrained all over again. So off camera, I shampooed her hair, conditioned it, put her under the dryer with the conditioner for 20 minutes. And what you see me doing now is basically just detangling it, and I had already added conditioner to her hair so that she can get under the dryer for about 20 minutes. Okay, I rinsed the conditioner out of her hair, and what you see me putting in a few minutes will be the what was that? Oh my goodness, you guys. No. Oh, heat protectant. It's a heat protectant. It also gives sheen. It works very, very well on the hair. And parting have never been my best thing, so it took me a whole 2 minutes or something like that to get her middle part straight. And I'm sectioning it off right now so that I can blow dry it. And her hair grew a lot with those braids over the summer. But sometimes when you have braids, you get the split ends, and she did get split ends in the center of her hair and a little bit at the bottom. It wasn't so bad, but I decided, see, that's the heat protector, the Proclaim heat protector. And it wasn't that bad. I decided not to give her a trim because she was happy with her new length. So probably within the next 2 weeks, when she come back 2 weeks from now, I will give her a baby trim. And what I'm doing today, I'm pressing her hair, and I'm just gonna press it and curl it old school, you guys, because not too many people like to press. And the people that I do see pressing a lot, they're pressing with an electric pressing comb. I mean, I tried the electric pressing comb. I hated it because it's not the heat, the same type of heat as with the Marcel. Not at all. There's something about the oven and that heat and that metal that makes the hair come out super straight, and it feels so much different. So, I mean, to each his own. I prefer the pressing comb versus the electric pressing comb. And I keep getting tongue-tied because I have both of my retainers in right now. So bear with me, you guys. You might hear a lisp here or a lisp there. But yeah, look at how straight that hair is. And it feels so good. The conditioner, the shampoo and conditioner that I use in her hair was the Jamaican black castor oil shampoo. I'll put it in the description box, and the conditioner that goes with it. And that stuff is so good. That, along with the heat protectant, is like the perfect combination. I didn't even put any like gloss or anything on her hair, just that. So I'm gonna finish pressing her hair, and I'll come back when I start curling it. If you guys could only hear our conversation, sometimes I wish that I could just play the whole conversation that my clients and I have. But man, sometimes it's just too much for YouTube. That'd have to be a whole other channel if you guys could hear everything we were talking about. Okay, I just finished pressing her hair, and I'm gonna use my Marcel curling irons again. You know, I just love using these irons way better than the electric ones. You know, I use the electric curling irons on on the wigs and on the weaved hair, but to me, on the person's regular hair, real hair, it's just best to, for me in my opinion, I like it better when I use the Marcells. Like I said, it's the iron or the metal, whatever you want to call it, and the heat from the oven makes a big difference to me. And she wanted her hair full today, and I did like Shirley Temple curls, and then I separated them. And when I separated them, I used a little bit of beeswax on my fingers to separate them so that they last, because it's raining and she and I wanted her style to last. She was like, why did I pick today to come? It's raining. But yeah, we both wanted her curls to last. So when I separated them, I put a little bit of beeswax on it. And I used Shaper Plus. I sprayed the Sebastian Shaper Plus on it before I curled it. Curled it, let the curls sit in my hand for a hot second. Let it go. Ooh, if you guys hear something in the background, child, that's my husband snoring. I did not feel like going in the beauty room or downstairs to edit this video. But if you hear something in the background, that is him. I am so sorry. Real sorry. But don't be scared, child. It's just him. But yeah, back to the hair. See how I curl it. And the hair is already straight. But that heat from these Marcells, man, it ain't nothing like it. It makes the hair even straighter, and the curls just seem so like, you just have to feel the hair. I mean, I've tried. In beauty school, they made us use the plugins. But, you know, growing up in my house, we didn't have plugins. We had Marcells. And that's what I learned with. So when I was in beauty school, it was really, really hard for me to learn how to curl with a curling iron that had a cord. It was just like the cord got in the way. And I knew once I got out of beauty school, I would never use those plugins. But they came out with those, what are those dang on things called? Ceramic flat irons, ceramic curling irons. And some of them are really good, but like I said, I like using the Marcells with regular hair. And I say regular hair, non-extensions and stuff like that. And that's when I just put a little bit of beeswax on my finger and separated the curls. And when you first start doing it, it doesn't look like anything. It just looks like soggy curls. But as you go on It's just perfect. It's everything. And her hair is so healthy. Even though I didn't give her a trim and she needed one. You know, when you do styles like this, you can really tell that they don't get trim. However, she takes very good care of her hair. And she just got used, she got hooked on the braids because it was convenient for her in the summertime. She didn't have to get up and comb it or anything. So yeah, all things considered, her hair is in pretty good shape. You guys, I have to leave the room because I had my grandson over. He spent the night with me, and he woke up and he thought I was downstairs. So I have to go and say, Rennie's up here, guys. Rennie's up here. You'll see him walking through the door in a minute. There he is, you guys. Sitting there acting like he's shy. He ain't nowhere near shy. Walking in slow, trying to see what he can get into. Okay guys, I'm gonna finish curling off camera because it's gonna take too long to curl on camera. Here's the finished results right here, you guys. Okay guys, that's it. Thanks for watching. And as usual, stay blessed.